Good morning, everyone. In previous class, we have learned meaning and features of business environment. Today, in this class, we are going to learning next topic in the chapter number 3, that is importance of business environment. This topic also you may supposed to expect for 4 marks in the final examination. How they're going to ask that question in the exam? Like, explain that importance of business environment, understanding by the manager. Like this, they may supposed to ask that question in the examination. Now, coming for that importance of business environment, any kind of organization, it does not matter whether it is a small scale industry or a medium scale industry or large scale industry, all the types of industry or all the types of organization or all the types of company, they have to understand the environment. With understanding of the environment, they have to run or they have to offer the product. Without understanding of the environment, the company, they cannot survive for long period of time. They have that many challenges they have to face that environment. It may be internal factors or it may be external factors. Let us understand very well about that importance of business environment. If you want to understand that importance of business environment, they have that totally 5 to 6 points. This importance of business environment in an organization, the manager has to understand very well, because the manager is playing a very important role in an organization. If suppose the growth and survival, it depends upon that manager performance. The manager is motivating to an employee in an organization. From that motivation, the production factor may increase. So that is the reason the manager has to understand very well. Even if that the top level management, they have to formulate that some policies, it may also playing a very important role in the survival and the profit for the business. Let us understand that importance of business environment. They have that 6 points. First one, identify opportunity and getting the first mover advantage. Second one, identify threats and early warning signal. And third one, coping with the rapid changes. Fourth one, tapping useful resources. Fifth one, helps in planning and policy formulation. And last but not the least is helps in improving performance. Let us understand each and every point in detail. The first one is, before explaining these points in examination, I already explained they have the 6 points. You can write it any 4 points which is comfortable for you, which is easy for you in the examination. Here, that first point, it enables that firm to identify opportunity and getting the first mover advantage. Early identification of opportunity helps an enterprises to be first exploit them instead of losing them competitors. That means any organization also, they have to identify the opportunity. With that opportunity, they have to survive or they should be number one in the market. Take it as a best example. Before in India, like the Maruti Suzuki car, Maruti 800 car. Like before that, introducing of the Maruti 800 car in India, there was no other company introducing by the car. Even the Maruti company, it has taken advantage of introducing the car in India. They will be number one in the market. And also, while they are introducing the Maruti 800, the cost is very less, and that means not less, it is a reasonable. This car can purchase by all the types of family. It may be middle class or it may be higher class. And one more best example, Now, in COVID 19, the vaccination is a very important. See that many company they have taken research, but only few company has been success. That means this few company has get that opportunity, and also now they are producing more number of vaccines. They are getting a higher amount, higher profit. Even they have that in India. There are the few example of vaccines are Covishield and Covaxin. That means this company they are introduced that vaccine, they have get that profit, or it is the reason for understanding of environment. So that is the reason they have get their opportunities. It is that first point it explains. That means in simple, any company also they have to identify the opportunity. From that opportunity they should not supposed to lose the competitors. They have to move, they have to move that first, they have to take a opportunity. And second point, it helps that firm to identify the threats and early warning signal. That means from that environmental scanning is nothing but they have to check whether the organization it is a getting a growth or it is a getting a lower. That means environmental awareness can be managed to identify various threats on time, serve as an early warning signal. That means the organization they should not be stable for a long period of time. They have that some fluctuation. This fluctuation the organization they have to check whether they have some problem or what. And also if they have some problem, the environmental scanning, the environmental or the business environment it gives that signals or early warning signals. Take it as a best example. Many of the organization or many of the company they are going to offer their product in a across the world, or they are competing the like they are offering their product in the across the world. Even while they are offering the product they have to check the product quality and competitors ability, and even that advertisement and etc. Thus all that information they have to keep it in mind. They have to offer the product. How it possible? By environmental scanning. That means before offering the product or before providing the product to the customer in international market, they have to check all that information. After that only it is possible to get the early warning signal. And third point, it helps in tapping useful resources. Tapping useful resources is nothing but we have that various resources in an organization or in the business to engage in any type of activity of business enterprises. It assembles. That means in the resources we have that input like finance, machine, raw material, power, water, labor, etc. This all that resources, how we can utilize or how we can optimum utilization of these resources, it may help a lot by the environmental. Even take it as a best example, the China they are going to using a maximum resources because of the environment. They are scanning that in international market. That means they are seeing that, or they are checking the different countries production or different countries the what is that ability or what is that their demand. Based on that they are going to using that resources. Even at the initial COVID-19 time, the China company only the one country they are going to offering that PPE kit. Later on, see that how that the India they are going to using their these resources, and now the India they are offering that PPE kit to the many countries. see that some changes has been occurred. That means this changes it is possible from the environmental scanning. The third point it explains, that means they have that input or input resources. The organization they have to use these resources in optimum manner. It is called, it helps in tapping useful resources. And fourth point, it helps in adjusting with rapid changes. I already explained in the features of business environment. The environment, it is not like a constant nature. It keeps on changing. So that is the reason the organization has to adjust for the changing itself. That means if suppose they have that environmental changes or they have the technological changes, the organization has to adjust for the changing environment. It is called, it helps in adjusting with rapid changes. And we have that next point, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. This point I didn't present in the slide, but I will explain you. That means this will explains that according to the situation, the organization has to frame the policies. With these policies, it may help a lot to the organization. It is called, it helps in assisting in planning and policy formulation. And last but not the least, it helps in improving the performance. That means if you are understanding well internal as well as external factors, the business they can really performs that very well with using of different resources. I already explained different resources like input resources like machines, labor, electricity, water, etc. This all that they can utilize in optimum manner. The organization they'll give a good performance, they can increase their profit. These are the importance of business environment should understand by the manager. In the next class, I'm going to explain you that dimension of business environment or else elements of business environment. Thank you.